Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Live Ayurved. Subscribe for more information and updates. Now let's have a look at health benefit of Amla Murabba. Amla Murabba is high in fiber, which helps to cure digestive and gastric problems. Amla Murabba is also an effective remedy for constipation and keeps your stomach healthy. Amla has a rich source of minerals which is important for boosting immunity in the body. Especially chromium in amla controls cholesterol levels in the blood, thus improves your heart health. Amla Murabba is one of the good solutions for joint inflammation, and vitamin C present in the amla gives you relief from knee or joint pain, especially arthritis pain. Eating Amla Murabba is considered healthy during the pregnancy time frame. It is good for both mother and child. It also balances the hormonal changes in the mother's body, thus reduces hair fall as well. People suffering from a peptic ulcer are recommended to take Amla Murabba daily. Amla Murabba, being rich in fiber, helps you to relieve the pain of mouth ulcer. Amla Murabba is best recommended for girls or women suffering from menstrual cramps. To compensate for the iron loss, women with heavy menstrual bleeding can also use this Amla Murabba. Eating Amla Murabba frequently for about 6 months will help you to fight against acne marks, spots and scars on your skin. It also reduces blemishes and improves your skin complexion significantly. Thank you for watching, and for more information visit www.liveayurved.com.